Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I hope all of you in a good health. Today we're going to learn about multiplication of length. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve the number sentence involving multiplication of length by a one-digit number involving meter and centimeter. Basically, when we do multiplication of length, it's just same with the others multiplication. We will use the same way, same method and same standard written method. It just we only need to add on or we need to write the unit of length, either it's meter or centimeter, when we do the calculation. Now let's look at to the first examples. 6 times 43 centimeter. To get this answer, we need to do the standard written method first. To do the standard written method for multiplication of length, you need to remember that the number with the unit need to be at the top. That means we need to write 43 centimeter at the top. 43 centimeter times with the second number, which is 6. We should write 6 at the last place value, which is below 1. It's over here. And then get the answer. To get the answer, we need to use times table 6. So the first number is 3. 3 times 6 is equals to 18. So we need to write 8 at the bottom part and bring up 1 for plus 8 later. Next one, we times the second number, which is 4. 4 times with 6 is 24. And then we need to plus with the number at the top, which is 1. 24 plus 1 is equals to 25. We are not done yet because we need to bring down the unit of length, which is cm, centimeter. So 6 times 43 centimeter is equals to 258 centimeter. Next example is 5 times 78 meter. So again, we need to do the standard written method first, which is 78 would be at the top number. 78 meter times with the second number, which is 5. We need to write down 5 below 8 because it is single number, which is referred to ones. Then to get the answer for this question, we need to use times table 5. So look at to the first number at the back at the right side, which is 8. 8 times with 5 is equals to 40. That means we need to write 0 at the bottom part and bring up 4 above the 7. 2 plus 8 later. Next one, 7 times with 5 is 35. And then plus with the number at the top, which is 4. 35 plus 4 is equals to 39. So we write down 9 and 3. We're not done yet because we need to bring down the m. It stands for meter. So 78 meter times with 5 is equals to 390 meter. Next one, we have 4 times 197 centimeter. Again, the number with the unit must be at the tops when we do the standard written method. So we write down 197 centimeter at the top times with the second number, which is 4. Remember, you need to write the number that we need to time at the right side below 7 belongs to place value 1. Then find the answer. Now, for this question, we need to use times table 4 because it's times with 4. So, times the first number from the right side, which is 7. 7 times with 4 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times with 4 is 28. So, we need to write down 8 and bring up 2 above the 9 and plus 8 later. This is because you cannot write two numbers in one place value. Next one, times the second number, which is 9 times with 4 equals to 36 plus with the 2 at top of 9. So 36 plus 2 is equals to 38. Write down 8 and bring up 3 above 1 and plus it later. Next, 1 times with 4 is equals to 4, and then plus with 3 equals to 7. So we write down 7. Don't forget to bring down the unit, which is centimetre. So 4 times 197 centimetre is equals to 788 centimetre. Next, we have 3 times 165 meter. Again, do the same thing, which is 165 meter would be at the top, times with the second number, which is 3. Write down 3 below 5 and do the line for the answer. So this time, we need to refer to times table 3. The first number, 5 times 3 is equals to 15. So write down 5 at the bottom and bring up 1 above 6. Plus 8 later. Next one, 6. You times with 3 would be 18, and then plus with 1 is 19. So write down 9 and bring up 1 above 1 to plus 8 later. Last one, 1 times with 3 is equals to 3, and plus 1 equals to 4. So write down 4 and bring down the unit meter. So 3 times 165 meter is equals to 495 meter. Next one, we have 8 times 4 meter and 26 meter. Can you see the difference for this question with the previous question? Yes, for this question, we have the combination for meter and centimeter. Because previously we only do multiplication for meter only or centimeter only, but this time you need 2 times with meter and centimeter together. For this kind of question, we still use the normal standard liter method and the same way like we do before this. First, we write down the number with the units at the top, which is 4 meter and 26 centimeter would be at the top. To write this combination number, you need to write according to its unit, which is meter with meter, centimeter with centimeter. You cannot mix it together. You just copy it like how the question gives to you. Next one, times with 8. Where should we write the 8? Yes, we should write it below 6 because 6 is the last number at the right side. So we just write 8 over here and we need to find the answer. For this one, we need to use times table 8. So times the first number from the right side, which is 6. 6 times with 8 equals to 48. So write down 8 and bring up 4 above 2 for plus 8 later, because we cannot write two numbers in one place value. Next one, we need to times 2 with 8. 2 times 8 is equals to 16 plus the top number, which is 4. 16 plus 4 is equals to 20. So we just write down 20. And then 4 meter, we times with 8. 4 times 8 is equals to 32. So we write down 32. We're not done yet because we need to bring down the cm and m. As you can see, for the centimeter value, it's already more than 100. Since it's already more than 100, you need to convert the centimeter to meter. How to convert it? You need to minus. If you are counting centimeter in hundreds, we will have 100, 200. So for the centimeter side, we need to minus with 200. And then we need to plus 2 at the meter part because 200 centimeter is equals to 2 meter. Then we need to find the final answer. So for the centimeter part, we just minus 8 minus 0 would be 8, 0 minus 0 would be 0, 2 minus 2, 0, And then for the meter part, 32 plus 4 would be 4 and 3. Bring down the unit m and cm. Then we're done. So 8 times 4 meter 26 centimeter is equals to 34 meter 8 centimeter. For the 0 in front of 8 centimeter, you can choose either you want to write it or not. If you don't want to write it and you want to leave it the answer like that also can, because 208 minus with 200 is only 8. So same, the answer still be 34 meter and 8 centimeter. Now let's look at to the next example. We have 2 times 17 meter and 59 centimeter. Again, as you can see for this question, we need to times meter and centimeter together. We need to write down the top number first, which is 17 meter and 59 centimeter times with 2. So write down 2 below 9, which is the last number. Draw the line for the answer, and we need to use times table 2 to find the answer. So times the number from the back, from the right side, which is 9 times 2. 9 times 2 would be 18. So we need to write down 8 and bring up 1 above 5. 2 plus 8 later. Next one, 5 times 2 is equals to 10 plus with the one at the top. 10 plus 1 equals to 11. So write down 1 and bring up 1 above 7. Next one, you times the meter, which is 7 times 2 equals to 14, plus the number at the top, which is 1. 14 plus 1 equals to 15. So write down 5 and bring up another 1. 2 plus 8 later. Last one, 1 times 2 is equals to 2 and plus the number at the top. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. We're not done yet because you need to bring down meter and centimeter. So for this one, as you can see, the centimeter is 18. It is already less than 100. No need to minus it because we already bring it above the 7 when we times. So this is another way with the previous questions that you can do when you do multiplication of length. So 2 times 17 meter 59 centimeter is equals to 35 meter and 18 centimeter. Let's look at to the last example. We need to times 9 with 8 meter and 6 centimeter. Next, write the numbers in standard arithmetic, which is 8 meter and 6 centimeter would be at the top times with 9. So write down 9 below 6 because 6 is the last number at the right side. For this one, we need to use times table 9. So times the first number from the right side, which is 6 times 9. 6 times 9 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 54. So write down 4 and 5. 54. We don't need to bring 5 to the top, 2 plus 8 later, because there's no more number besides 6. After we're done, we just times the meter, which is 8 meter times with 9. 8 times with 9 is equals to 72. Again, just write down 72 because there's no more number beside 8. We're not done yet because we need to bring down meter and centimeter. So as you can see again, for this centimeter, it's not more than 100. So we don't need to minus or convert it into centimeter. That means 9 times 8 meter and 6 centimeter is equals to 72 meter and 54 centimeter. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you understand it, and I'm gonna see you again for the next lesson. Thank you everyone.